Polypeptide of molecular mass is 200,000 times the most probable number of amino acid. So we know that one amino acid molecular weight is 110 Dalton. So 200,000 Dalton protein will be having how much? 20 terms means how much time you can find out. It will be around, so answer will be, after dividing, it will be 2000. So answer will be 2000 total number of amino acid. Moving to next question, transport of molecule against the concentration gradient is known as active transportation, which requires ATP. What would happen in human blood if blood become acidic? So if blood become acidic, the graph of hemoglobin which carry oxygen will shift toward right side in high pH. So suppose this is pH, it is 7.2, and it will be suppose pH 6.8. to during acidic condition, the graph will shift toward the right side. It means oxygen carrying capacity will be reduced at low pH. So oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin will be decreased. The region of DNA known as Tata box is the site for binding of DNA dependent RNA polymerase. It is used for transcription. Next question, MS test is used for rapid method of detection of mutation, chemical, carcinogenic or mutagen. Next question, 150, the new penicillin mutant was tested on oxotropy. The mutant grown on minimal media M plus arginine plus proline histidine, but not on M or M plus A plus H the mutant requires. Okay, so mutant when treated with penicillin, it now grows on arginine plus proline plus histidine, means on this plate it is showing positive growth. On another plate, like only on minimal media, this mutant is not growing, and on minimal media plus A plus H it is also not growing. It means it requires minimal media along with A and H, another one P, proline, because here arginine, proline and histidine, in this presence it is growing. Minimal media it is not growing, and minimal media plus A plus H it is not growing. It means proline is playing an important role. So here the answer will be, it requires proline. Next question, Turner syndrome of the female is due to presence of. Turner syndrome is basically X0. So 44 plus X. This is going to be the answer. The major class of non-translated RNA function is regulation of the DNA expression. Pairing of mRNA is known as regulatory RNA. Next, some reaction may easily take place even though the standard free energy change are highly negative. Does not take place even delta G value is negative. It means there is a high activation energy. The free energy of activation is very high. Answer will be high, because activation energy is that energy which required by substrate to cross this hill and pass and form a product. Although delta G is very much negative, it can be possible, but it is favorable, but it is not taking place because this hill barrier is very high. That is known as activation energy. So activation energy is high for this reaction. Next question, what will be the value of free energy change delta G at equilibrium? Delta G will be always 0. Delta G will be negative for favorable reaction, positive for unfavorable reaction. So answer will be equal to 0. If next question, if the cell is treated with the inhibitor of glucosidase 1 enzyme of endoplasmic reticulum, it is expected that glycosylation protein will show a change in. Glycosidase 1 enzyme will remove the glycan portion which is attached on the protein on endoplasmic reticulum site. So the molecular weight, suppose this is a protein and there is addition of glycan portion. So overall there will be individual molecular weight of protein plus molecular weight of glycan. This value will be high. Now if we are going to treat this with glycosidase enzyme, which will remove this portion both together. Now the protein molecular weight, it is protein and glycan portion, both are separated, so molecular weight of this complex is of only of protein, so it is low, so it will decrease the molecular weight. So molecular weight, and so changes in molecular weight as well as increase hydrophobicity, because these glycan portion are rich in OH. Glucose is rich in OH, so it will increase the hydrophilic property. If it is removed, hydrophobicity property will increase. So answer will be first. Next question, VNTR. VNTR is variable new terminal region, the full form of this one. So answer will be A. Next question, 157. Express sequence tag are allow researcher to identify the expressed gene which basically forms protein, means gene expression are checked. So gene that called protein. Which of the following is not intensive variable as well as properties of the matter? Answer will be energy. This is of chemistry question. After an overnight fast, which of the following enzyme would be expected to have little or any physiological activity? So after overall fast, glycogen is already converted into glucose into CO2 plus H2O plus energy. So there is no glycogen. So an enzyme which involve in breakdown of glucose or glycogen is not involved. So answer will be malate dehydratase. So according to me, answer will be malate dehydrogenase, because this enzyme is not involved in glucose metabolism. So answer will be this one, malate dehydratase. Next question, cytochrome P450 is found in the liver, and in liver it is found in endoplasmic reticulum. So answer will be second. So this is all about part B.